that we teach and with the heart of a teacher. I personally invest, Steve, inside my retirement accounts in 4 types of mutual funds: growth, growth and income, aggressive growth, and international. Outside of retirement accounts, those funds all create taxes each year as they grow. That's a problem.
That's exactly right. That's a problem. Why? Because mutual funds are required to distribute any capital gains and dividends to their shareholders once the fund has liquidated any tax position, or a stock that's owned by the mutual fund, gets a dividend from the stock in which the fund is investing in, right? So, and that is correct. That's a problem. Yes, you're making money, but then that's creating a ramification that's going to end up in taxes. So now the question is, okay, how do you offset that? How do you mitigate that? So what you need to do is you need to take a look at your portfolio, and then you need to see what stocks you are currently owning that are below the cost, below how much you pay for it. And then consider selling those stocks in order for you to offset any capital gains that you are sustaining from investing in the mutual fund. So mutual funds typically give you an estimate before the year ends of the capital gains that they may actually have per share. So then you need to go into your portfolio, take a look at how many shares you own, and then estimate what your capital gain might be. And then try to sell any shares of other losing positions to offset this capital gain that you may have. Also, sometimes you may invest in a mutual fund that it's going to pay a capital gain, or it's going to have a distribution rather quickly. And you may want to plan when you invest in this fund, rather doing it at the end of the year. You probably want to wait until the beginning of the year before you actually invest in this mutual fund. That way, you are not subject to the distribution tax, which is a tax on the capital gain and also the distribution. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and click like and subscribe, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video.